Well, the temperatures are the weather story today. It is going to be a hot one. It's going to be gusty, dusty, as well as, unfortunately, the pollen count still remains quite high. So that's what we're going to be dealing with today. We're already at 81, though, in the Richmond area, and we're looking at humid conditions carry into Thursday. So you know what, hang tight, stay well hydrated. This is just a preview of what we'll be dealing with for summer. But then we have a strong cold front that'll take advantage of this heat and humidity. We do have the chance of seeing a few strong to potentially severe storms possible on Friday in the southeastern portion of Virginia. But beyond that Friday cold front, we are expecting to see a bit of relief over the weekend in terms of some cooler temperatures. We're going to keep a close eye on Sunday's pattern. Could likely see a couple sprinkles squeeze out in the southern portion of Virginia. But as far as conditions go right now, we're not tracking any rain showers. We are just looking at the thermometer continue to rise. Right now, 81 in the Richmond area. We're still maintaining some breezy to even gusty conditions at times with a southwesterly breeze anywhere from 10 to even 20 miles per hour. Right now, we're seeing sustained wind speeds at about 12 miles per hour in the Richmond area. But look at temperatures across the board, sitting in the upper 70s to lower 80s currently, but we are not going to stop there. We're looking at sunny skies for today. As you see on your satellite and radar, really not much to look at. And high temperatures are going to be around the upper 80s. To even a few of us could see our first day of temperatures in the 90s. And the reason why that is due to this Bermuda high pressure system. So it's looking like that high pressure system is off the coast of the Carolinas, continuing to usher in some warm air, which is why your high temperatures today are going to stay around the upper 80s. However, South Hill, Emporia, potentially even Petersburg could see a high temperature of 90 degrees, which would be the first 90-degree temperature on the board for this season, or actually this year, I should say. Tonight, temperatures stay relatively warm. Overnight lows stay around the mid-60s, and we're looking at mostly clear skies for tonight, and we're still going to maintain that southerly component in terms of your winds. Getting actually a preview of the last 2 weeks in terms of your high temperatures. Yesterday was the first 80 within the last 2 weeks, so your temperatures actually stayed relatively mild in the 60s. But this is the summer-like weather that we're experiencing this week due to that large ridge of high pressure, which is why we have sunny skies and a lot of warmth. But this ridge does start to break down. We're looking at this low pressure system continue to move across the country, and looks at this low really starts to dig into the Ohio Valley, not until Friday. So we're looking at some cooler temperatures. Friday's highs stay around the 70s, or actually the upper 70s. But we do have the slightest chance of seeing a few scattered showers with the potential of a few storms. That'll be on Friday late morning into the afternoon hours. But behind that strong cold front, we're looking at skies clearing out rather quickly, and temperatures will actually be on the cooler side. On Saturday, highs stay in the 60s, so you have a bit of relief from those 80-degree temperatures. But on Sunday, we rebound very quickly. We're looking at high pressure system regaining control and looking at a southerly breeze. We'll be in the 80s for even next week too. Cheryl?